Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So today we are going to resume our discussion on basic mathematics. So far we have discussed various topics such as linear inequations, linear equations in two variables, then quadratic equations and their various variations and all that. So in this video we are going to start a new topic which is arithmetic progression. Okay, we'll be discussing about arithmetic progression. It's AP. Okay, so let me just decrease the thickness. So arithmetic progression. So let us say we have the following numbers, okay, in this sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on like this. Then we have another sequence which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Then we have, let's say, another sequence where we have 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, then 15 and like that. Here if you see, in all of these sequence of numbers, in the first sequence we have first this is the first term, and as you can see, each successive term, it is one greater than the previous term, or each term, it differs from the preceding term by 1. For example, the difference between this 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1. Okay, here. Then here 3 and 2, 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1. Then here 4 minus 3, it is equal to 1. Each term, it differs from its preceding term by 1. Okay, fixed difference. Here 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Here 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. 7 minus 6, it is equal to 1. Fixed difference. 1 is the constant difference between the numbers. Okay, each number it differs from the preceding number by a constant value, a constant number. Here in this case it is 1. Now here in the second case we have, this is the first term, then here 4 minus 2, it is equal to 2. Here as we go to the next term, difference 6 minus 4, it is equal to 2, same difference. Then here 8 minus 6, it is equal to 2, yes, same difference. 10 minus 8, it is equal to 2, yes, same difference. 2. 12 minus 10, same difference, 2. Similarly 14 minus 12 is also 2. Here also the difference between each term in the sequence, it is same, constant, the constant difference. Here also each term of the sequence, it differs from its preceding term by a constant value. And here also, as you can see, here 3, 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, then 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, 13 minus 11 is equal to 2, 15 minus 13 is also 2. So here also there is a constant difference. So we say that all of these three sequence of numbers, they are in AP, or it is called as arithmetic progression. So basically what arithmetic progression is, that a sequence of numbers in which each number it differs from its preceding number or previous number by a constant difference. Okay, a constant value. Okay, each term or each number, these are called as terms of the sequence, or numbers in the sequence. So every number, it differs from the previous number by a fixed difference. Every number, it differs from the previous number by a fixed difference, like this. Okay, so here, like this, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So every number, it is differing from the previous number by 2. Similarly, we can also form other arithmetic progression sequences. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Or it can be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and like that. So here each term, it differs from the preceding term by 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, 15 minus 12 is equal to 3, 18 minus 15 is equal to 3, 21 minus 18, 3. So here the constant difference is equal to 3. Here the constant difference is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 10, 5, 20 minus 15, 5, 25 minus 25, 30 minus 25, 5, 35 minus 30, 5. Here the constant difference is 5. So here, as you can see, here two things are very important. Okay. First, in our discussion, when we have to find any particular term in the sequence at random, there are two things which are very important. For a AP sequence, the first term of the sequence, AP sequence, it is generally called as A, and the constant difference, D. So suppose we have an AP where the first term is A and the constant difference between the terms, successive terms, it is D, then we can write the AP as, we can write the AP sequence as A, the first term, then A plus D, okay, A plus D minus A, constant difference D. Then this is the first term, this is the second term, the third term will be A plus 2D. So here A plus 2D minus A plus D, it is equal to D, constant difference D is maintained. Then the fourth term, it will be equal to A plus 3D. Okay, the fifth term, A plus 4D, and so on. It will go on and on and on. Okay, now here this is the first term of the AP sequence. This is the second term. This is the third term. this is the fourth term, this is the fifth term. So here if you will see, there is a particular pattern between the term, the particular number of term, the position of the term, and the relationship between the first term and the constant difference. For example, we have the first term T1 is equal to A. Okay, so we can write it as A plus 1 minus 1 D. Same thing, 1 minus 1 is 0, so it will be A simply. We can write the second term, which is A plus D. We can write it as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Okay, same thing. Now here you see, here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 1. Similarly, we can write T3, which is A plus 2D. We can write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So here it is 3, here it is 3. Similarly, T4, we can write it as A plus 3D. It is, we can write it as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So here this is 4, this is 4. So you see the pattern emerging. So if we have to find any number, particular position, nth term, let's say, any particular position, that term we have to find out. Let's say the nth term, Tn. So it will be A plus n minus 1 into D. This n. So this is the formula, the general formula for the nth term of an AP. Okay, so if we try to find out, the application of this, let's say we use it to the previous one of the previous examples. Let's say this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Okay, so here we have the first term A is equal to 2. The constant difference, the common constant difference, it is also equal to 2. So here this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Okay, this is the third term. So suppose we have to find out T3. So T3, according to the formula, it is A plus 3 minus 1 into D, or A plus 2D. So if we put the values, we have 2 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So here it is 6. So this is 4, 5, 6. So this is the sixth term. Okay, T6. So suppose we have to find out the sixth term, T6. It will be equal to A plus 6 minus 1 D, which is equal to A plus 5D. So the first term is A, which is equal to 2. Constant difference D is equal to 2. So it is A to 5 into 2 equal to 2 plus 10, which is equal to 12. So here also it is 12. So you can apply this formula to find out any particular nth term. Okay, so this is the general formula for the nth term of an AP. Okay, the general term of an AP, also called as the general term of an arithmetic progression AP. Okay, this or this. Okay.